हेलो अजय यादव।
Hello sir, thank you.
वेलकम टू टारगेट पॉइंट।
Yeah, thank you sir.
आप अपने बारे में बताओगे मुझे?
Yes sir, I am Ajay Yadav from Alwar, Rajasthan. I have done my 12th class with 80 percentage and now I am pursuing BSc from RR College. My father's name is Mr. Atar Singh Yadav. He is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. In my free time, I like to listening music and playing football. I am determined to join Indian Air Force because it gives us a discipline and respectful life. Thank you.
Okay, why do you want to join Indian Air Force, not Indian Army?
Sir, because I'm in the Indian Army, the aim and do more hard work. The Indian
But
Army
at
located
Air Force also same thing. There also you do hard work. So
because in Air Force
it's your love, your keen interest
the
toward hard work, right?
no sir, but the chances of promotion are all more than in Air Force. No.
Okay. Share your experience with Target Point.
The experience of with target points in GD, SRT and DFT is very good. The faculties of target point is very excellent.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
मैं कोई टॉपिक के बारे में पूछूँ, आप बता दोगे?
Yes sir.
Okay, tell me about pollution.
Pollution is that is big issue for not for India but all the countries of the world. The pollution are spread due to the overpopulation. India's population is around 130 crore. It's the second largest population of world. Due to the population, the garbage, the quantity of garbage and the vehicles are also increases. Due to the vehicles, the emission of smokes and the people's burn the crops. In this, the pollution also increase. There are three types of pollution like water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution. In water pollution, the factories and the peoples are releases wastage into the rivers. Due to this, the animals who live in waters are the killed, and the water of rivers are also become dirty. And the air pollution due to the vehicles, the where air pollution are increases, and the factories also releases his smokes in the air. In this, the carbon monoxide, CFC gases are also the fighter jets and the other rockets who also release the CFC gases. Due to this, the air pollution are increases. Third, the soil pollution. The farmers are uses in agriculture, pesticides, urea. Due to this, soil pollution are
Yes.
increases, and the plastics are also increase the soil pollution and become the land burn. And the
Very good.
government make many policy to reduce the pollution. The government make the policy of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in 2015, and the nowadays government ban the single use plastics. It
It's
is
a
very
good step of
it is
Government
good.
of India.
Yes.
आप मेरे को यहाँ की टेस्ट सीरीज के बारे में बताओगे, कैसी रहती है यहाँ की टेस्ट सीरीज?
यहाँ के टेस्ट सीरीज SRT एंड DFT स्टैंडर्ड इज वेरी इक्वल टू एयर फोर्स स्टैंडर्ड्स.
Okay, very good. Wish you good luck.
थैंक यू सर.
Welcome.